The UAC-CO 10736C Grey Compressor is a brand new original equipment replacement compressor assembly, ensuring that it meets exact specifications for a perfect fit. This compressor is manufactured at a Tier 1 facility with premium ISO TS 16949 quality and has been tested to meet or exceed original equipment manufacturer specifications. The compressor includes the body, clutch, pulley, and coil, and may come charged with shipping oil to keep the part lubricated during transit. The UAC-CO 736C Grey Compressor is designed to pump air conditioning refrigerant throughout the automobile's air conditioning system, providing comfortable driving conditions all year round. With a high review score of 4.2 and over 935 reviews, this compressor is a reliable and well-received product. Despite its high quality and excellent durability, the UAC-CO 10736C Grey Compressor is very affordable, priced at $126.